Hello friends, I'm ready to cook my ackee and saltfish. First, I will boil my saltfish for about 5 minutes, saute my vegetables, and then add my ackee. Who is ready? Let's go! So this is my vegetables. Okay, I have yellow sweet pepper, green sweet pepper, a little scallion, 2 scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not gonna cut them, just gonna put flavor the pot. Red bell pepper, orange, and 1 medium-sized onion, and some cherry tomatoes, about 6 cherry tomatoes sliced in half. Now I'm gonna put 1/4 cup of olive oil. That's the oil I always use, but whichever is your preference, you can use it. Teaspoon of minced garlic in the oil. Now I'll put in my vegetables. Alright, I'll let that cook for about a minute on low heat, just to get a little soft. I need to cook a little more, guys. I need to get a little bit more. Now guys, the vegetables are nice and soft. Guys, it's my saltfish being boiled. It's almost time for me to take it, strain it, and shred it to put in the ackee. Yes guys, back with you now. I cook my saltfish for about 5 to 6 minutes in boiling water. I make sure, wash it in cold water, take off all the skin, take out all the bones, you know. So I'm ready to put it in my vegetables that was sauteed. All right. Look how pretty that look, guys. Ooh. All right, at this point, I'm gonna put in my ackee. And I'm gonna put in is some black pepper. I'm gonna stir it up a little. Mix it around. Make sure that ackee cooks well. So I'm gonna give it about a minute on very low flame, just like that. And I'm gonna cover it. saltfish. Isn't it lovely? Have a good day. Bye bye.